Hello, this is N4H&H. This is going to be a quick, what do we call this, a life hack? I don't know. And I'm probably not the first person to think of this. As a matter of fact, I know I'm not, because my brother, W4KWM, came up with this idea. And I just want to show you what I've done with it. So hiking in the cold, KC4WZB and I did that last week, and we were on this mountain called Kusabal, and it was just brutal. And so, you know, the wind made it worse, but it was only about 29 degrees. And so I don't know what the wind chill might have put it down into, but, you know, in the teens. But the problem is trying to work the Morse paddle. I don't have the radio powered up because I don't have the antenna, but I just wanted you to see, you know, trying to work the Morse paddle and, you know, and trying to log on the phone, you know, can be problematic with gloves. So the W4KWM idea, and maybe others have done this too, is to cut holes in your glove. And so I did. And then let me just show you what I did. I cut, you know, a slot, and then I used my soldering iron, and I just touched up the edges there so it wouldn't fray of this cloth. And these are just, you know, gloves from Walmart. And then, but they do, you know, they are warm inside. So I'll poke my finger out. I did the same thing for the thumb. That little cottony looking stuff, that's from the inside. And I'm leaving that like it is because I don't, if I melt that too with the soldering iron, it's a rough edge. I found that out the hard way. Okay, so now then the problem is that the leftover of the glove gets in the way. So I've Velcro, okay, I've got the loop part here, or I don't know, maybe this is the loop, whatever. The soft part's here and the rough part's here. So I glued these on with super glue. I use a Loctite glue because the Loctite gel just seems to hold. So I just flip this back, do the same thing with the thumb, and now they're out of my way. And then so, you know, that helps me be able to do this. And then, you know, your fingers are going to get cold from time to time, so you just tuck them back in, let them warm up. So now I'm going to try this out tomorrow. I might wind up with a slight modification to my modus operandi, which is that I new watch on SOTA watch, that I wear my nice Wells Lamont gloves while I'm hiking with no slit in them, and then I just switch out to these when I get on the summit. You know, just assuming, you know, some air is going to get into these slots while I'm hiking. Maybe not. I'll just find out, and, you know, if so, I'll have this pair of gloves for the hike and these for operating. Okay, you know, just a quick life hack there. You know, I'm sure Wayne and I aren't the first people to come up with this. All I've done is my little twist on it with the Velcro, and again, heating the edges with my soldering iron tip just to keep them from fraying. All right, hope you found the video helpful and informative. And I say this, I should explain why did I do a video like this, because, well, myself and a lot of folks, we hike up to mountaintops and operate our radios for summits on the air, and so it's winter bonus season, so we have to bundle up, but it makes it a little bit more difficult to operate. So hopefully you can use this information if you ever decide to do any outdoor operation with your radio. All right, thanks for watching, and 73 from N4H&H.